So dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 by 2x plus 2y plus 3. Yes, we can write like this. Now check the first case condition, which is b1 equal to minus a2. Okay, whether the condition success or fails. So b1 is 1, a2 is 2. So b1 not equal to minus a2. So b1 is not equal to minus a2. Then we have to check for case 2. So a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, which equal to b1 by b2. Yes, b1 by b2 also 1 by 2. Clear? Now in this case, what we have to do? Obviously, there is a common term in the x, y. See here x plus y. Here if you take common 2, then it becomes 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y. So what we have to do? Let x plus y equal to v. Let x plus y equal to v. Then differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then 1 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1. Okay. Now substitute this dy by dx value in this given differential equation. Then dv by dx minus 1 equal to x plus y value v. So v plus 1 by 2v plus 3. 2v plus 3. Okay. And now dv by dx equal to v plus 1 by 2v plus 3 plus 1. 2v plus 3 plus 1. Okay. So this minus 1 take to right side. Okay. Then this equal to v plus 1 plus 2v plus 3 by 2v plus 3. Yes. Okay, so seventh problem also somebody people asked. Okay, I will explain. And now this is equal to 3v plus 4. v plus 2v 3v, 1 plus 3 4 by 2v plus 3. Okay. And now so this is you have to do actually what is this? This is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now this is homogeneous differential equation. Now you have to apply variables and separable. Now take all these terms which including v to left side and x to the right side. Then it becomes 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 4 dv equal to dx. Clear? And now what you have to do? Here you have to apply partial fractions. You have to apply partial fractions. Okay, na? So I will do partial fractions here. 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 4 equal to. Yes. Actually, see here they are same order. Actually, see when you are going to apply partial fractions, numerator and denominator of the same power, same degree. This is degree 1, this is degree 1. Okay, na? Then you have to apply division. Okay, na? See, if numerator power is less than the denominator power, then only you have to apply partial fractions. Okay, na? So actually I forgot to inform Amir Basha regarding to the partial fraction video. So today I will intimate sir. So by night itself we will upload into the our app or YouTube. Okay, na? You can go through the partial fractions. I think Pavan asked me regarding to the partial fractions. Okay, so the complete video you will get in YouTube. Okay, go through that one. You will get complete information. You don't bother about it. Okay. Now make division this. So 2v plus 3 with 3v plus 4. Because same degree, remember, same degree. If numerator power is, numerator degree is greater than or equal to denominator degree, then you have to apply division. First you have to apply division. If numerator degree is greater than or equal to denominator degree. Okay. I think you may struck here. Now, so here 2v plus 3, here 3v plus 4. So what I have to do? Here 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3v plus 4 into 2 by 3. What you will get? So 2v plus, okay, 8 by 3, 2v, 3v into 2 by 3, 3v into 2 by 3, which is 2v plus 8 by 3. So make subtraction. So this will be cancelled. 3 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3. Yes. 9 minus 8, 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. So this becomes, how can you write? Now this can be written as, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 3v plus 4. Clear? Remember, how can you write? After making division, suppose if you make division 7 with 3, 3 2s are 6, 1. How can you write? The 7 by 3 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. You know, this is the basic concept. Okay. So 2 by 3 plus remainder 1 by 3 by quotient. Okay. 3 plus 4. Clear? Now write down that one. So this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3v plus 4 dv equal to dx. Okay. And now apply integration on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. So 2 by 3 dv, which is 2 by 3v plus what about this one? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3v plus 4. 1 by 3v plus 4. So what is the, see this is of the form 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is log x. So log 3v plus 4. But here multiplication of v is 3. So what you have to do? By 3. Okay, by 3. Okay. So this is equal to x plus c. Equal to x plus c. Now this is 2 by 3v plus 1 by 9 log 3v plus 4 equal to x plus c. Okay. Now substitute the value of v. Now substitute the value of v. So 2 by 3 v value y by x plus 1 by 9 log 3y by x plus 4 equal to x plus c. So that's all. So is it clear? I think you may stop here. You may stop here because you don't know how to do such a integration. Okay. So you have to know partial fractions actually. V value, oh sorry. V value x plus y, yes. Actually that where is that homogeneous v equal to y by x? I remember that. Okay, so v equal to x plus y. Okay, so 2 by 3. So v value x plus y. X plus y plus 1 by 9 log 3x plus 3y plus 4 minus x equal to c. Okay, you can simply. వాయిస్ వినపడడం లేదా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం? కేసీ పవన్ వాయిస్ వినపడడం లేదా? వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్? Is there any problem in voice? Let me know quickly. Voice is all right actually. No. No problem. No problem. Okay. G Pavan, Samata, no sir. What no sir? వినపడడం లేదా? No problem. Let me know. Some of them are told no problem sir. Okay, no problem. Okay, good. Okay, KC Pavan, check once in your mobile. Check from your side. Okay. Okay, so what about this problem? ఎవరు స్నేహ ఐ థింక్ స్నేహ అడిగింది. చెప్పమ్మా. ఐ థింక్ ఎక్కడైనా స్టాప్ అయింది లేదా అసలు కంప్లీట్ గేమ్ రాలేదా? ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ బాక్స్ పెట్టాను కదా, ఇదే కదా. ఓకే, అది పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అన్నమాట. అది పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ రావాలి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా నేను మర్చిపోయానమ్మా. నేను సార్కి చెప్తాను. సార్కి చెప్పి ఈరోజు వీడియో పెడతారు. మొత్తం యాక్చువల్ ఆల్రెడీ రికార్డింగ్ వీడియో ఉంది. So Karthik, you have to on your video, sorry, audio. Okay, so Inka, which problem? Anybody else? I think somebody asked seventh problem. Where is seventh problem? Third menu, seventh problem. Third menu now. Somebody asked the problem. Second Roman 8B. Second Roman seventh problem. 8B. What happened? 8B. Seventh problem. Y minus x divided by dx equal to 5y square equal to dy by dx. exercise 8b. Okay. So y minus x dy by dx equal to 5 into y square plus dy by dx. So this is the problem. Yes, is it correct, Mamata? So y minus x dy by dx equal to 5y square plus 5 dy by dx. What we have to do? We have to do take common dy by dx. Okay, na? Take common dy by dx. So then it is y minus 5y square, y minus 5y square equal to x plus 5 into dy by dx. X plus 5 into dy by dx. Am I correct? Okay, na? Now see, these all are y terms. This one is x term. So just variable separable. Okay. Now this is dx by x plus 5 equal to dy by y minus 5y square. Is it clear? Okay, na? We have to apply variables and separable. So these are the terms of x, these are the terms of y. Okay. And now this is equal to dy by, this is y into 1 minus 5y. Y into 1 minus 5y. And now what you have to do? Here you have to apply partial fraction. You have to apply partial fraction here. Clear? And now, so 1 by y into 1 minus 5y equal to a by y plus b by 1 minus 5y. Partial fraction. Okay. Now, so 1 equal to a into 1 minus 5y plus by. If you take y equal to 0, if you take y equal to 0, 1 equal to, this is 0, this is a. So a value is 1. If you take y equal to 0. Clear? Now, the coefficient of y is 0 left side. Right side, what is the coefficient of y? Minus 5a plus b. Okay, na? So 0 equal to minus 5 plus b. So b equal to 5. So what is the value of b? 5. Clear? Now this can be written as what is a? 1. 1 by y. What is the b value? 5. 5 by 1 minus 5. Clear? So right here, this is equal to 1 by y plus 5 by 1 minus 5y dy. Okay? Now apply integration on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. Okay? Now what is this value? Log x plus 5. Log x plus 5. Now this is 1 by y dy. Log y. This is log y. Plus 5 into 1 by 1 minus 5y. Okay? So this is log 1 minus 5y. But here minus 5y is there. Minus 5y is there. So what do you have to do? By minus 5. So by minus 5. Plus log c. Because all terms are in log. So write log c. This will be cancelled. Okay. Now what is the final answer? The final answer is log x plus 5 equal to log y, yes, minus log 1 minus 5y plus log c. Okay, if you take all the terms to the left side, x plus 5 into 1 minus 5y by y equal to c. Clear? Log a minus log b plus log. So log a plus log b and log ab. Log y, if you take left side, minus log y. So by y equal to c. Clear? Mamata is clear? Any doubt? Anybody? Any doubt? And I request all the students. See, if you have any doubt while solving the exercise problem, so let me know in WhatsApp number. Okay, na? So I can give solution just by solving on a paper, because we don't want to waste our video lecture. Okay, na? So whenever you solve the exercise problems, at that time, if you have any doubt, just ask me in WhatsApp. Okay, na? I write the solution on paper. I will post it. It will useful to all the students. Okay. We don't want to waste our valuable time with all this such a problems. Huh? Okay. So let us start non-homogeneous third case. Still, you have any doubt in case 1 and case 2? Let me know. Clear? Is it clear? Samata, I think you asked starting one problem regarding to homogeneous problem. Yes, I gave one example also. Okay, okay, good, Samata. Okay. So case 3, non-homogeneous differential equation, case 3. So when we have to use this case 3, if case 1 and case 2 fails, then we have to use case 3. Okay, na? If what is case 1? B1 equal to minus A2. Ante B1 not equal to minus A2. Ante first case fails. What is the second one? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. If it fails, ante not equal. A1 by A2 not equal to A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, na? So in this case, we have to use the third case. Okay, na? So that is, you have to consider x equal to capital X plus h. Okay, na? X equal to capital X plus h. Y equal to capital Y plus k. So transformation of axis. Okay, na? KC Pawan, what happened to him? Only video కనబడుతుంది. Okay. So you have to substitute x equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus K. Okay, in the given equation. So students, let me know what about my voice. Anybody? Only one person told me, sir, only video is visible, audio is not. Listen, no problem. Okay, good. Okay, the problem is from that fellow. Okay, we move. So x equal capital X plus H, y equal to capital Y plus K. We have to substitute this. We have to substitute these values in the given differential equation. Okay, now then what is the given differential equation? Dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. So this is the given differential equation which is non-homogeneous. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to substitute. We have to substitute x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. Actually, this relation we learn in transformation of axis in first year geometry. Okay, now? Yeah. So a1 into what is x? Capital X plus h. b1 into capital Y plus k plus c1 by a2 into capital X plus h plus b2 into capital Y plus k plus c2. Yes. Now this equal to a1x plus b1y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus a2h plus b2k plus c2. Yeah. And now see, what is the constant? This is the constant. A1h plus b1k plus c1 is constant, and a2h plus b2k plus c2 is also constant. Now make them these two 0. The constant becomes 0. Okay, what we have to do? So let a1h plus b1k plus c1 equal to 0. a2h plus b2k plus c2 equal to 0. Make them 0. Okay, now then what will be happen? If these two are 0, then the equation converted into how? Actually, if you take x equal capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k, from this, what about dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but d capital Y by d capital X. Yes or no? Dy is d capital Y, dx capital d capital X. Okay, now so small dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X. Okay. So the equation converted to d capital Y by d capital X equal to a1 capital X plus b1 capital Y by a2 capital X plus b2 capital Y. Okay, na? So we make these two become 0. Okay. Now by solving these two, what you will get? You will get hk values. Yes. Now this is a homogeneous differential equation. Yes or no? a1x plus b1y by a2x plus b2y. Homogeneous differential equation of degree 1. So since it is homogeneous differential equation, okay, na, we already learned the homogeneous differential equation. We have to proceed in that way. Divide with x and substitute y by x equal to v, so on. Okay. Clear? So I will explain once more. If first case and second case fails, if first case and second case failed, then you have to consider small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Okay, from these two relations, dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X. Okay, now substitute these values in given differential equation. Okay, the equation converted to like this. In this, you have to make this constant, that is the terms which are in h and k, okay, become 0. Okay, then by solving these two, you will get h and k, because these two are straight lines in h and k. By solving these two equations, you will get h k values. Just keep it them there itself. Okay, now if these two are 0, the equation becomes the given differential equation. Okay, the given differential equation becomes d capital Y by d capital X equal to a1x plus b1y by a2x plus b2y. Now this is the homogeneous differential equation. This is homogeneous differential equation. You know already how to solve this homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so this is the process for case 3. Okay. Okay, so note down. So then note చేసుకోండి then ఒకసారి just outlines. Anyway, I will give notes also. You don't bother about it. I will give notes also. ఇది అర్థమైందా కేస్ 3? ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి. Is it clear? I want response. Okay. Okay, so మన వీడియో 1 minute లో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. So again we will connect it. ఓకేనా?